Kingbest Electric Limited, a company located in GuangDong, Zhongshan City, and has established in 1992 regarding to produce steam mops, steam cleaner, and steam iron. From the very first date, continuous development, better quality, and customer satisfaction have made up a principle by Kingbest. The Kingbest ironing system has been inspired originally in Europe, and we make it an even more modern and usable product as the sole manufacturer in Asia. Nowadays, we have completed production lines, including mold tooling, plastic injection, hardware production, and final assembling. One of Kingbest's business philosophy is that quality is the life of the company. To ensure the product's quality, all the goods would be on 100% testing before loading. And the ironing system's core component supplier come from Italy, just like solenoid valve, water pump, pressure switch, and so on. And 90% of the other components are made by ourselves. The quality of ironing system is always under control. As Kingbest's long-term business, we would constantly research and develop in the technology innovation in ironing device. Kingbest is able to provide OEM and ODM service. And we have 6 R&D engineers and 5 structure engineers in the ironing system product range. From an idea to production, we could make it in 5 months. It's Kingbest's most important advantage. Since put into production in 2006, Kingbest ironing system has been sold to 35 European countries and regions such as Germany, Russia, UK, and Australia. We have established strong network with well-known brands and clients in global business cooperation. And most of our products have authoritative approvals for international standards such as CE, GS, RoHS, CB, etc. In the future, we are going to research and develop different new products, creating excellent and quality products.